Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to capture, store and export information from your leads on WhatsApp with a sequence of questions. Let's get started. Open your account and go to the WhatsApp module in the left sidebar. Click on Chatbot. Look for the account where you wish to capture information and click on Add New Item. First, we will create a message to let the users know that we will ask for their information and ask for a keyword to get the sequence started. For example, we will ask them to say ready. Scroll down and write it in the caption box just as you want the chatbot to send it. Scroll up. Choose Enable as status. Select No and No Match Response, and then indicate if the item should work in individual chats, in groups, or in both. In Type, specify if it must be triggered only when the keywords are stated exactly as you wrote them, or if similar variations, for example typos, can work too. Give it a name and a description to identify it. State the keywords to trigger this message separated with commas. Turn off the AI and leave the rest data and save data options disabled. Optionally, add a typing delay and an image and submit. Now, create a new item. Configure the initial settings as before. Add the keyword you indicated your users to type to get the sequence started. For example, ready. In the message, state the first question, for example, what is your name? Turn off the AI, add a delay if needed, and in Save Data select the response as saved. In the field box, write a category to save the responses. For example, name. Finally, in the next bot action, write the keyword of the next question. For example, we will use address. Copy it, we will need it again, and submit. Create another item. As keyword, paste the one you just copied, so this message is triggered. In this case, it is address. Configure all settings as before. Write your next question, for example, what is your address, and repeat the process. Save the response, name the field under which we will store it, configure the rest ANS we have done, and save. Repeat the process until you have all the questions you need. Now, we will write a final message to confirm that the data was stored correctly. Write the name of the fields you created between brackets to personalize the answers. Make sure to spell them exactly the same. For example, name. This time, leave the Save Data option disabled and submit. Once your users have triggered this sequence, you can export their answers as a CSV file. To export the captured data, go back to the items list and click on the More icon at the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, click on Capture a Report. Select the fields you wish to include and click on Report to export them. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.